In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import products into Wix stores with a CSV. We'll start by getting to your product list, log into your Wix account, and open your site's dashboard. On the left, look for the catalog area. Depending on your setup, it might say catalog or store products. Open that, then choose store products and go to products. This is where you'll see the full list of items in your store and where we'll kick off the import. Next, open the import panel. On the products page, find the More Actions button, usually shown as 3 dots. Click it and select Import. A pop-up will appear explaining how bulk uploads work and giving you access to the template you'll need. Now download and prepare the CSV template. In the pop-up, click Download CSV Template. Open the file in your favorite spreadsheet app like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. Take a minute to review the column headers such as product name, price, description, category, SKU, and images. Each row represents a single product, and it's important to place every value under the correct header exactly as shown. Don't rename or reorder the columns. If you already have product data somewhere else, copy and paste it into this template, making sure the column order matches. Keep SKUs consistent and unique. Use plain text for prices without currency symbols, and match category names exactly as they appear in your store to avoid errors later. For long descriptions, avoid special formatting that might break CSV structure and keep images aligned with what the template expects. When your data is ready, save the file as a true CSV. In your save or download options, choose CSV or comma separated values. Avoid formats like XLSX because the import tool won't accept them. If there's an option for encoding, UTF-8 is a safe choice. Head back to the import pop-up and click Upload CSV. Select the file from your computer and confirm. You'll see a progress indicator while Wix processes your data. Larger files can take a little longer, so be patient. When the upload finishes, Wix will show which products were added successfully and flag any rows with errors, such as missing prices, invalid categories, or formatting issues. If you see errors, download the report if it's available, fix the data in your CSV, and import again. Once everything is clean, you'll see your new products in the products list. Finally, publish your changes if your site isn't already live. From the products panel, you can fine-tune details, update images, and organize items into categories and collections. And whenever you need to bulk update inventory, just repeat this same CSV import process. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.